Yo, what is up? It's your boy AM.
And it's your girl PM.
And this is AMPM in real life. And today what we're going to be doing is checking out the winter lights in Portland for 2024. It's kind of a second year we're going to be doing this, so it'll be pretty exciting. Last year we went and checked it out. You can see the link in the description above. But I am pretty excited to do it again this year. Last year was like post-COVID, so it was kind of strange. But now, COVID's no longer around, so we're gonna actually see how rowdy Portland gets.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah. So excited.
This is Pioneer Square. Pretty awesome.
This is sort of root beer. It does smell very tasty.
All right. I know. Look at that. There's fire behind you.
Now you can actually feel the heat coming off from there.
I know. It's pretty cool.
It's really hot. Very cool and whimsical, kind of futuristic.
There's a fire flower behind you.
I like the fire flower. I like this one too. It goes up and down. There's some funky music going on.
You ready to go into the tunnel?
Yeah. I have my life.
Your life's gonna change?
Yeah.
Ooh. What does that look like?
It looks like an eyeball with a snake or a dragon.
25 minutes down the hill, take the train.
Cool.
What I would draw in
Except it's uphill.
MS Paint.
Like really, really fucking uphill. Like up the hill that is to go uphill.
Whoa.
Double the time.
Wow. It's a tesseract.
That definitely looks like it has flowers.
You know, these kind of remind me of that.
Oh, dang.
Ooh.
It's just a room with a lot of lights and mirrors.
You want to get there?
That's exactly that, yeah.
Lay down. Yeah. We're going to lay down here. Yeah. It was really cool. That's right.
like a movie almost.
Hey, it's a fox.
He's cool.
Everybody's out tonight. There's no rain. It's warm. It's kind of magical right now.
Yeah. I mean, 2 weeks ago there was an ice storm here. And now it's like I'm wearing my hoodie and a scarf, looking at winter lights. It's great.
The music is coming from on top of that building up there. Pretty cool. We got lights up there for days. It's pretty cool, huh? It's a little dubstep party on the corner.
Yeah. I like it. The whole floor.
You got your butterfly wings on. So dark.
I know. I think this is a missed opportunity to light up an escalator.
All right, we just finished up the Portland Winter Lights 2024. It was an exciting time, running around in the dark. Still dark right now, but I'm having a good time. How you like the art installations?
I loved it. It was so fun.
Yeah. Maybe we'll do this in the light. I think so. Okay, we finished up. We're back in the light, so we're finishing up the Portland Winter Lights, and we had a very good time. Did you enjoy yourself?
Oh, it's a blast.
All right. Other than that, we give you a big fat.
The end.